The world's a big place. I wonder what challenge is next.
Whoa! Where did that thing come from? A new challenge awaits. The Serpent's Fury Race in Mexico City.
Mexico City. This will be a different kind of race.
Whatever the Serpent's Fury is, we'll face it together.
Now that is a racetrack. Gnarly! That truck! I've never seen it before. Looks fast.
Enjoy the view from behind, champion.
And they're off! The Serpent's Fury has begun! Hey! Race fair! Time to shred this jungle! Let's shake things up a bit.
Whoa! Totally not cool. Hold on. I'll clear a path.
You're a lifesaver, big guy! Thanks! The Serpent's Lair! Let's do this!
Welcome to my playground, Blaze.
Whoa! That was close!
Let's turn up the heat.
Now this is my kind of tunnel.
No more games. Time to end this.
The hole! Whoa! What was that? That came from Blaze's route.
It's no use.
Too easy. The trophy is mine. He's in there. He's okay. Then let's get him out.
Titan! Riptide! I'm here!
I knew you'd come. Thank you. Always.
Nitro Scorpion cheated. Now, we show him what real teamwork can do.
Impossible. They should be buried.
Unbelievable! Blaze is back! They're climbing the pyramid for the finish! Blaze wins! Blaze wins! In the most dramatic finish I've ever seen! WE did it! Not me, WE!
This isn't over, Blaze. Not by a long shot.
A tough race! Best one yet! Let's go again!